2 phones.
Yeah, I can't get behind. When I'm not in here, Sarah's in here. So if I'm trying to film something, I can't be fussing around with moving from back and forth. And
Now does, you said Sarah,
mhm.
does she do pedicures too?
Mhm.
Is that okay? I really don't know around my house, I do know where they do pedicures. They do, but it's like at Walmart, Myers, they have the bunch of people, you can just like walk in and do it. But I just wanted, I like coming here.
Mhm.
I mean, it is farther, but I'm afraid with my, you know, like with my condition that I had on this foot and with the fungus, I don't know if I could go anywhere with something like that, or.
Yeah,
don't
I mean,
know.
you shouldn't have a problem.
I just, oh, my beauty shop, they have 2 chairs, they're getting me, people to do pedicures for and stuff like that, like in a pinch, you know. I
Mhm.
could probably do something like that down in the, you know, future. I think they don't have it right now.
Yeah, just make sure that they're disinfecting their tools in between clients. People think that it's the pedicure tub that they can catch nail fungus or something from, but it's actually the tools.
The tool.
Yes, because the tools are what's going underneath your toenail
Yeah.
and around your toenail.
Well, maybe I'll inquire about it the next time I get my hair trimmed, because she ended up buying the salon, the girl that does my hair, and ask her. I mean, in a pinch, you know, if I can't drive this far sometimes next year or whatever. She should be established by then, I would think.
Right. And hopefully, you know, more nail technicians all across the United States are taking my pedicure certification course to learn exactly how
Yeah.
to do things. So hopefully there'll be somebody in your city.
I know, but look for the people that come to you, so it's like your demand, you know? So not everybody just wants to go to Walmart and get it done, because I know it's cheaper probably too. I tell you what, I used to get my nails done, I don't anymore, but when I used to get them done, I'd go, you know, I had a manicurist, or another place where I used to get my hair done, and she would do it for years until I had the kids, you know, and she would do my nails. So I was a regular there for years, and then I thought, oh, I'll just go over here because it's so much cheaper. But then I started not feeling well, and she goes, well, I haven't seen you in a long time. I says, honestly, I've been going over here, over there, you know. And she was looking right behind her. She had this article, and it said that people were getting sick, and it had a list of signs. I had them all, and I even went to the doctor. I had my blood work done, and I was hot. My liver, which I don't even drink alcohol, but my liver was high in something, and something else was low, and it was, and I don't know this, but they were using, a lot of these places are using, it's not licensed here, it's some kind of dental.
MMA.
Yeah, they said
Acrylics. Yeah.
I think they said methyl's bad, ethyl's good, or something like that, and that's how I remembered it. And you know what? I got my nails taken off, and it was about a week later. I had more blood work done, and it was fine.
Oh my goodness.
So it was because of that. And
Yeah.
I wasn't getting my toes done, it just was the nails. And I think the girl that was doing my nails, she said that it was in California they used to use it, and it's like a dental bonding type thing. Does that sound familiar?
Yeah, it's illegal in the United States.
And so then I said, well, can't we find out if they're using it? They said, oh no, we're smart about it. They got big containers of this product in the back, and they just put it in different,
refill it, yeah.
refill it. And I said, oh well. Anyways, that's what was making me sick. Was so I didn't have my nails done for a long, long time, and then until they went back to her, and then that's when she was telling me about it. So I always went to her, you know. This was a little tiny salon, and then I kind of stopped doing it. So I was always nervous about it. After that, yeah, but it made, I think it was in my liver, it made my levels go really wacky.
Oh my
I
goodness.
was tired and just not feeling right, and everything else was good.
Right.
Oh, I was dizzy sometimes. They had a whole list of stuff, and I had it all. I'm like,
Oh
what
my
is
gosh.
this? And it was from the salon, from those places using, like you said it was
Methyl methacrylate. They call it MMA for short.
Okay. And I just remember her telling me, just remember, methyl's bad, ethyl's good, or something like that. And my feeling in this leg is coming back more. I mean, it kind of goes like this up to my big toe, but I mean, it's been every
Thank
month it's better.
goodness. Yeah.
every month it's
Progress.
better.
That's the important thing.
Yeah.
You feel progress.
Yeah. This is all bad.
Yeah, it takes a while for nerves to regrow.
Oh, it's too early in the morning to be tired. It's just relaxing, you know?
Mhm.
Especially after a long drive. Oh my gosh, we had a bonfire. I think it was Saturday night. Yeah, Sunday night. And I went in the house at 1:20. It just was my husband and I. And then he asked the neighbors if they wanted to come over. Real cute couple. They're younger, a lot younger than us. Older than my kids, but younger than us. They came over. They were out there till like 1:30. And then they're like, we're going in. And my husband, I looked out the window, I was getting a little nervous because he's still out there kind of staggering around, getting more wood, getting
Oh
that
my
fire back.
gosh.
I'm like, what
Put
am I
that fire out.
Yeah, and then I couldn't go to sleep. You know, I kept looking out the window and stuff. It was 3 o'clock, 3:30 by the time he came, and he said he fell asleep for a little bit, and then he came back in.
Oh my gosh.
And we haven't had a bonfire in so long, so it was nice. So yesterday was kind of our lazy day.
Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to visit my channel. People like you are the reason for my success, and I appreciate it so much. But remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for all the latest videos. Remember, it is free, and I'll see you next time.